Hi, today let's make super tasty tandoori chicken cheese toast, for which you need to marinate the chicken with some lemon juice along with some turmeric powder. I'll be adding in some kasuri methi, salt, tandoori masala. Tandoori masala, any kind of brand is easily available in the market. Take any kind of tandoori masala and add it. Then I'll be adding in some ginger garlic paste, yogurt, add it and marinate the chicken really very well. You can keep it for 10 to 20 minutes and then start cooking. In a kadai, take in oil and then just add 1 teaspoon of oil is enough and start cooking the chicken, marinated chicken. Cook the chicken till it's completely done, because this is just the topping. So now the chicken is completely done. I'll switch off the gas and keep it aside. Now take bread slices as many as you want. You can take any kind of bread, white bread, brown bread, any kind of bread, and apply pizza sauce like this evenly on all the slices. This is a homemade pizza sauce. If you want, please do comment below. Happy to share this recipe. On top of it, I'm placing the cheese slices like this. If you want, you can add in shredded cheese as well. Next, I'll be adding in the tandoori chicken mixture which I made. If you're a vegetarian, instead of chicken, you can add in paneer or mushroom, completely your choice. Now, I've added the chicken mixture on top of it. Now, I'll be adding in capsicum and onions, which are cut in the form of cubes. If you want, you can add in any other kind of veggies, or you can play around with the toppings as well. You can add in corn as well if you'd wish to. I'm adding in onions now, and once onion is added, I'll be just sprinkling in a little bit of salt for taste, and then I'll be loading it with some mozzarella cheese. It is a very simple, very easy recipe. It will come together in just 20 minutes. Perfect for your lunchtime, tiffin. Kids, you'll love it. You will love it. Or suddenly, if you have some guests coming in, trust me, make this. You will love it. Everybody will ask for more. Then once it's ready, place it in the air fryer. You need to cook it for 180 degree for 10 minutes. If you don't have air fryer, don't worry. Just keep it in the pan for 10 minutes at a low flame till the cheese melts, and your super tasty tandoori chicken cheese toast is ready. Then you can slice it up half like this, or you can just munch on like this. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Please do subscribe. Enjoy.